After this, clean this valve and then we will put back. Okay, I will show you how to put back. We will put this valve and this one we'll make inside. And back side, put inside. Yes. And then we tighten the first screw. Okay, we'll put back also. Loose here. Let's lose a little and then. Okay, and then we will put back this fitting also. Yes. The washer. Okay, and then put this guider. Tighten it. So you will see it's very easy for this change this wire block and this clean and reassembly. So that's it about how to change over this change colors and change over this wire block and tank.